Welcome back, everyone, and if this is your first time here, you're going to find a lot of home mortgage, home finances, and home buying tips. If that interests you at all, if you're a homeowner, you're going to find plenty here. Even if you're not in the market to buy a new home, there'll be plenty here to help you. So I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe and bell notification icon down below. Okay, so this video is about the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved. You may have heard those two terms being used in the while you're shopping for a home, or as you're preparing to shop for a home. Your realtor might ask you to be pre-approved before you visit homes, or at least pre-qualified. And sometimes there's confusion as to what the difference is between the two of them. So I'll try to describe it to you here. So to be pre-approved, that process essentially entails you describing to your lender or your loan officer what your income and debt situation looks like, what your asset situation is, how much you have saved in the bank for a down payment, how much you make per year, and what kind of debt may appear in your credit report. Some lenders might take this to the next level and actually run your credit. That's probably the best thing to do, because sometimes people find things that they're unaware of that could prevent you from finding a home or getting approved for a loan. So that's just a on the surface view of what you may qualify for. Okay, to give you an idea. Now that's a great thing to do when you first speak to a lender months in advance before you start shopping for a home. You can get pre-qualified, let the lender pull your credit, and then you can figure out whether or not there are things that need to be fixed, whether you need to raise your score to get a better rate, or even to get approved at all. And also the lender might be able to tell you, look, I think you need to try to save a little bit more over the next couple of months before you actually apply and start searching for a home. So that's what pre-qualified means. So pre-approval, though, really takes it to the next level. So to get pre-approved, you're going to have to send in your pay stubs, your tax returns, send in your bank statements. They're going to pull your credit. They're going to load everything into their software, which I don't want to get into what that looks like and describe exactly what that is for you at home. But they'll be able to get run your information through a software that'll give them an actual approved notice for you, or it'll indicate whether what's wrong with your file and what needs to be changed or improved upon. So once you get that approval, then the lender is able to actually issue you a pre-approval, where you can then go out and start really shopping for a home based on the criteria or the loan amount, or whatever the scenario is that you discussed with them. So again, that pre-approval is more in depth. It does require you to collect all of your documents and then send it in for them to analyze it. Now, however, after you do that and you start shopping for a home, maybe it takes you a couple of months to find something, and then you're in contract. You will then at that point have to likely resend more documents in, more pay stubs, another month or two bank statements, etc. Because that's what the underwriter is going to ask for. They're going to want to look for most recent information. So hopefully that helps to describe the differences between being pre-qualified and pre-approved. If you have any questions, just list them down below. If you need to get pre-approved or pre-qualified, you can also ask for that down below, and I can help you to get that done for you. So hopefully this helped you, and if so, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, and come back for the next one.